2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, MP3 capability, CD player, power windows, fog lights, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.